Hello guys, for this video you will need to turn up the volume because I am having hardware issues.
Only gonna fuck if your GPF down. Only gonna fuck if your GPF down. Only gonna fuck if your GPF down. Only gonna fuck if you're coming on your face. Yo, what up guys? Can you please take off the mask before we start? No? Come on man, I don't got time for this fucking bullshit. I'm not even supposed to be here until you give me the money and the girls. Okay, go!